Your AI can write code, query your database, read your calendar, send Slack messages, all from one chat. Not because someone wrote 50 plugins, because of one protocol they all agreed on. This is MCP, Model Context Protocol, the open standard that just rewired AI tooling. Before MCP, every AI app had to build its own connector for every tool. 100 AI apps, 100 tools, 10,000 custom integrations, all brittle, all different, all maintained separately. MCP fixes it with one idea. Talk like a client, expose like a server. Plug anything into anything, as long as both ends speak the protocol. An MCP server publishes three things: resources, like files or database rows, tools, like run query or send message, and prompts, pre-written workflows. The client, your AI app, discovers them, picks what it needs, and uses them live. No custom code glue. Launched by Anthropic, adopted in months by OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, and every major IDE vendor. Over 1,000 community servers on GitHub already. For an open standard, that's rocket pace. Connect Claude to GitHub, Postgres, Slack, Google Drive, File System, Puppeteer, Memory, your own internal APIs. Each one is a 10-minute integration because the protocol does the heavy lifting.
Want to wire up your company's private tools? Write a server in Python or TypeScript, 100 lines. Point your AI client at it. Every assistant in your stack just became aware of your systems. MCP is permission-gated. Users approve what the assistant can touch. Scoped, revocable, observable. Designed for the real world, not the demo. Every previous AI integration era ended in fragmentation. MCP is the first one where OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google all bet on the same spec. That's not normal. That's inflection. There's a growing directory of reference servers, a spec at modelcontextprotocol.io, tooling in every major language, and new integrations shipping weekly. Open Claude Desktop, install one of the reference servers, connect in 30 seconds. Then ask your assistant to actually do something in your real tools. Start at modelcontextprotocol.io or browse the Anthropics/servers repo on GitHub. That's MCP. I'm Ginger. Subscribe if you want more AI tooling breakdowns like this.